Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cockatiel toys that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the BWOGUE bird swing toys. Included in the BWOGUE are 2 different types of swing toys, a hanging line of metal bells, and 2 plastic chew toys. The metal bells provide your bird something to rattle around and make noise with, while the swing toys are perfect for letting your bird perch inside the cage. Plus, chew toys made out of plastic will last for more playtimes than a wooden one would. The BWOGUE set is great for first-time bird owners who are not sure what type of toy their cockatiel likes, or someone who is trying to add variety into their bird's playtime rotation. This 5-piece set is made out of plastic with the addition of metal bells. While that can be a good option if you are looking for a toy that lasts a little longer, these materials might keep the joy of different textures away from your cockatiel. For a more textured variety pack of toys, try looking at PETUOL bird toys. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Penn-Plax Bird Life Wooden Playpen. If your bird loves going on adventures outside of the cage, this might be just the toy for you. This activity center has perches, ladders, and a bell. Your bird will be encouraged to exercise as they run back and forth across the obstacle course. This playset is a little larger, so it is great for setting up outside of the cage and transforming your living room into a unique cockatiel play area. The smooth wood base is also easy to wipe clean after each use. The activity center does require some assembly and can be hard to put together at first. The included glue is not very strong, so it is a good idea to reinforce the base and all of the connecting pieces with a stronger, yet still non-toxic glue. If you're looking for a toy with an easier setup that will still entertain your pet, check out the PETSVV rope bungee instead. At number 3, we have the RYPET bird chewing toy. RYPET makes it easy for your pet to maintain their beak's shape and length. Regular use of chew toys decreases the occurrence of overgrown beaks and can prevent your cockatiel from having to take trips to the vet for a beak trim. This toy is dyed with food-grade coloring and has multiple lengths of cotton rope holding all different shapes and sizes of wooden chewing blocks. This gives your bird a choice of what to chew and can help keep them entertained for longer periods of time. If you have a larger cockatiel or multiple birds, this may not be the best option for you. The wood is rather soft and can be quickly destroyed by a larger bird with a stronger beak, and a multiple bird home would probably go through this toy rather quickly, making it not the most economical buy. For a toy that is great fun for any size or number of birds, take another look at the noise-making Spoon Delight toy. At number 2, we have the Bonka Bird 1730 Foraging Heart. Foraging is at the heart of every cockatiel's nature, and that nature is reflected in this heart-shaped foraging toy from Bonka Birds. The heart in the middle is made of plastic and is stuffed with paper shreds that your bird will love pulling out. There are even more crinkled paper shreds at the bottom, so they can choose which angle they want to play from. The top and bottom of this toy are decorated with bamboo finger traps, a textured chewing element that cockatiels go crazy for. It has a secure hook and can hang just about anywhere in the cage, giving you that extra versatility to move it around. You should note that this toy comes with rubber dowels on top of the heart that need to be removed before you can place it in the cage. Rubber is extremely dangerous to cockatiels, and if they manage to peck it off and ingest it, they could fall victim to intestinal obstructions. And finally, at number 1, we have the Superbird Mini Trapeze toy. Most cockatiels love to take naps, and nothing makes for a better napping area than the sweet feet and beak mini trapeze. With this toy held up high in the cage, your bird can climb or flutter up to reach it and sit perched up high, overlooking the world, or simply taking a pleasant snooze. It can also swing back and forth if your bird chooses to jump on it, making it a great outlet for pent-up energy. This mini trapeze is made with a sturdy woven seagrass mat and strong plastic chains to keep it attached to the cage. The seagrass is a plant material safe for chewing, so your cockatiel can take some nibbles of it while they play up high. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.